we're going to use a sewer camera on this and check the whole length of the drain. And because this whole horizontal doesn't have a clean out in it, we are putting one in just for access purposes. All right, so we're mostly confident that this isn't full of anything. It's all going downhill, but you never absolutely know. We got our first cut here, and this pipe is going to go inside the Y to a depth of like that. And then I know I need to come in here and cut this right here. Then I'm going to do another cut and cut the end off this so I can use a slip collar on this. Yes. All right, we're using this Fusion single step. We're not plumbers, so we're allowed to. Real plumbers wouldn't do this. In case. All right, put it in, turn it, hold it. It likes to push the part back out till it sets up, till it does that solvent weld. It happens pretty quick. Makes a pretty good seal pretty quickly. All right, so I got this repair coupling. I'm going to slide this over the pipe for the moment. I'm going to put the Y on first. Remind me to do this at a 45-degree angle too. And then inside the Y. And then can you guys lift up the pipe? Okay. All right, so we're going to put this on. Like that?
Yeah, I like that.
Okay. All right, so the same thing, we'll hold this for a second. Like 15 seconds, it usually sets up pretty quickly. Now, last but not least is this connection right here. We'll do both sides and then slide this on and spin this so the glue gets all the way around underneath that collar, because the collar itself is dry right now. Spin it good. All right, so now we do the last thing. And this is to put in our threaded clean out, and then we screw this in, the clean out cap. So this is more of the same. It's one thing about plumbing is it's pretty simple to do things like this. All right, now we are going to have access for our sewer camera. And that's really the whole reason we're doing this, is so that we can, without having to put it in the drain way 40 feet that way, we can just put it right here. We ultimately want to check to see how good this original pipe is going to the street or the alley. This is just a lot more convenient for our access. We've got our clean out cap. That seals this up. When we need access, you just take it off and there we go. Hope this video helps. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching.